Hi, my name is Justine Vo, and I'll be talking about water conservation. To start off, I'll be talking about the importance of water and how it directly and indirectly benefits us. Water directly affects our health as it boosts our energy, help fight illnesses such as kidney stones and exercise-induced asthma, as well as protect our tissues, spinal cord, and joints. Water indirectly affects us as it provides plant with nutrients to photosynthesize and grow, thus producing oxygen and becoming a source of food for us humans. In addition, it also helps support our economy, considering that agriculture makes up 2% of the state revenue. A reason why California is running low on water is because Southern California is classified as a chaparral, meaning that it has hot and dry summer and cold and rainy winters, with low precipitation of less than 50 centimeters of rainwater per year. In addition, 75% of surface water available for the whole state of California is found in Northern California, while 80% of the water demands come from Southern California. Some of the projects that have been made to help relieve the stress of water shortage include Central Valley Water Project. It was funded by the federal government in the 1930s to relieve stress in the Central Valley. It built multi-purpose dams, reservoirs, canals, power plants, and other facilities that expanded 400 miles throughout the Central California. Water is transported from Lake Chata in northern Bakersfield to southern San Joaquin Valley. Besides transporting water, it also protects wildlife as it improves the quality of water and it prevents flooding in the area. In the 1930s, the Colorado Aqueduct was built to connect the Colorado River with Southern California. Its main goal was to supply Southern California with drinking water. The 242 miles aqueduct transports water from Lake Havasu, located in the California-Arizona borders, to Santa Ana Mountains. It is the main supplier for Southern California. From the 1960s to 1970, the State Water Project was put into effect to supply water to over 27 million people and 750,000 acres of land. It is the most extensive water system in California. The aqueduct is 444 miles long and transport water from the Feather River, located in Northern California, to the Central Valley, South Bay Area, and Southern California. The aqueduct plays a significant role in supporting the California economy as it provides water to farmers. After Governor Jerry Brown declared state of emergency in January of 2014, he directed state agencies to take actions to eliminate wastewater, improve agricultural water use, and plan for droughts. In June 2018, Governor Jerry Brown signs two bills, the Assembly Bill 1668 and the Senate Bill 606. The Assembly Bill 1668 requires the State Water Resource Control Board and Department of Water Resource to adopt long-term standards for efficient use of water before June 30th, 2022. Similarly, the Senate Bill 606 requires states to reduce urban per capita water use by 20% by December 21st of 2020. As of now, some plans that California is planning to put into effect is to reuse urban wastewater and invest in green infrastructure. The planned constructions of green infrastructures such as rain gardens or permeable pavements can turn urban space into a sponge that would allow water to sink into the ground and replenish underground aquifers for later use. Something that's relatively new that was put into effect was the desalination of water. There's a total of 11 desalination plants across California, located in San Diego and from Dana Point to Monterey Bay. As of now, 10% of fresh water produced for the LA County as well as the Orange County comes from these plants. The benefit of desalination is it's proven to be effective, helps preserve current fresh water supplies, and there's a quote-unquote unlimited supply of salt water. However, the downside of desalination is that it contributes to the greenhouse gas emission, which then increase global warming. It is also expensive to maintain and requires a lot of energy. And since this is a relatively new idea, its impact on the environment is still unknown. At this very moment, what we can do to help relieve the stress of water depletion is to conserve water and reduce water contamination. To conserve water, turn off the water when it's not in use, install water-saving shower heads, fix household leaks, and plant rain gardens. To reduce contamination, minimize the use of pesticides and fertilizers, And do not dispose of medicine, paints, or other pollutants down the sink.